Hi guys, today is test day, yay! So, when you go into modules, you want to make sure you review before you take the test, because I feel like we've squished things in with World War II and the Great Depression. So make sure that you go in and do the quizzes review. What's really nice is now they give me a link, so you guys can just click on this link and it should take you right to the quizzes. So go through and practice that at least once before you go in and take the test. And then just like how we always take the tests on Mastery Connect. So test instructions. And you're going to go to Student Mastery Connect. And then here are the test codes for each period that you're in. And then here's the breakdown about how you'll be graded. And then tomorrow, the retake will be available on Canvas. So then you can go in and retake the test. Remember, it's a good idea to maybe go through and do the quizzes again, maybe once or twice if you need to retake the quizzes. And just make sure that you email me your score when you're done retaking the test, so I know to enter it in, because Canvas doesn't notify me that you've taken the you retake the test. All right, so that is going to be it for today. Good luck on your test, guys. Have a great day.